Hi everyone, welcome to some handwriting tips for week 9. Earlier in the term we've looked at a few different things to improve our handwriting. We've looked at forming our letters correctly. Now remember, I'm writing with my finger here, so it might not be as neat as yours will be with your pencil. We've looked at reducing the size of our letters so that our writing looks more mature. We've remembered about using slope to help us later on with our running writing. Some of us have started to look at exit flicks, and this might be where you're up to today. An exit flick is the lead-in for running writing. So if I looked at the letter A and I get to the end, it flicks away. If I looked at the letter D, when I get to the end of the letter, it flicks away. Not all letters, though, can have exit flicks. If I looked at the letter E, it already ends in the direction that I want it to go, so it doesn't need an exit flick. Later on, we'll look at letters like F, which are heading off in that direction, which wouldn't make sense to have an exit flick. But today, we'll come back to our exit flicks. If you haven't been using exit flicks yet, what I want you to work on today is to think about which letters of the alphabet allow an exit flick and which letters don't. No capital letters will have exit flicks. However, if you've been using exit flicks for a few weeks, you can start to think about some baseline joins. So if you were going to write a word like car, for example, start with your C, which is already sort of flicking. It's going in that right direction. So you can link it straight into your A, and then take your flick and lead it into your R. Not super tidy with my finger, but I'm sure it'll be much better with your pencil. Next I might try a word like dad. I already know that D has an exit flick. There it is. Which can lead straight into the A, which I know has an exit flick, and into the next letter D, and I finish with an exit flick. Have a try yourself. See what other words you can find that use the exit flick to join into their next letter.